Okay, what we're going to test this time, I got the water running. I actually set this with 4 of the rings showing. I want to see what height, right there, it tripped. I want to see at what height is this water when that tripped. Right there. So we're right at between 3/4 and 7/8 of an inch down from the lip of the pan here. Then what I want to do is I want to start letting the water out and see if this thing resets. Let's see what happens here. Okay, worked. All right, so basically water could get into the bottom of this and stay there as long as this is draining. So if water blows into there, it won't trip it, or if it does trip it, it'd be just intermittent, or for a short period, hopefully. So anyhow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the rings showing. I think that's probably a good height or higher, because we could actually let it go a little higher in the pan just so it doesn't accidentally switch that off. So that's where we're at with testing this. ADP passed with flying colors on the safety switch going in the auxiliary drain. All right, that's it.